Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW 530D M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights as well as your black and you also full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. We have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so match with the black M Sport kit, and you also have the black wheels, black roof bars, privacy glass on the rear and the black window trim. Now that rear diffuser really does make this car stand out from the rest, and as you can see we do have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now being the BMW Touring you do get the split fold tailgate on the back, make it easier to load luggage straight into the back, as you can see just there. We also have the net that comes up there as well, so if you do put dogs or anything in the back they won't be able to get into the back seat. Now you do get a power assisted rear tailgate as well from a touch of a button on the key, just underneath the BMW badge and also on the inside. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now if I go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. We do have full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX point pull down armrest with 2 nice sized cup holders, storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat, BMW individual trim just there as well. Going to the front, looking at the driver's seat, there's a quick look at that. Now the driver's seat is fully heated, electric and memory function just on the door, and the passenger seat is just heated and electric. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors there, and your BMW individual trim. Jumping inside the vehicle, looking just down there, you have your audio lights, foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just there, paddle shift on the rear for you to take the car into manual mode, and you also have your BC just there, which you can change your instrument cluster information just down there. Now as you can see, vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 47,430 miles. Now when you put it into different drive modes, the instrument cluster actually changes, as you can see just there. Nice addition to have on this vehicle. Now you do get different drive modes, so you get Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport with individual. Now you can configure individual to suit your driver preferences. It's entirely up to you. Now we do have the big satellite navigation screen just in the centre, which is also touchscreen if you wish to use that, but you can also use the dial just down here. So you do have your media connectivity, so you do have DAB, FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, and you also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity, maps, and also navigation. Going back to your home, you have all these different settings just there as well. Pop car into reverse, you can see rear reversing camera with your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors just there. Now you do have your intelligent safety. By clicking that button you can have it all on, individual or all off. It's entirely up to your preferences. Now coming down here, we do have your dual zone climate control, works exactly how you would expect it to. 2 heated front seats just there as well. Again, both working exactly how you'd expect them to, with your ice cold aircon just there. BMW individual trim just in the centre, where you got the key, storage just down there, 2 nice sized cup holders, USB connectivity and also 12 volt connectivity. Your dial and what you use to control the screen. You have a touchpad on top if you wish to zoom in and out of the map as well, if you don't want to use the touchscreen. Gear selector, traction control on and off with your drive mode select, parking sensors, electric parking brake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well. And there's a look at the passengers. Full leather front seat with the extended fire spot just like the driver. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport Touring. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, got a 5-wheel steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,200 worth of optional extras included. Now if you want to know those optional extras, go to the website and there'll be a little box with the description of every optional extra added to this vehicle. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift on the rear if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate the cruise control, simply push the button at the top and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by 1. Push up to feel a bit of a click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, press the brake or click that button and then it will then cancel. Now we do have very, very comfortable seats in this vehicle. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get feeling fresh. Now the driver's seat is heated, electric and memory, but the memory function just there, and the passenger seat is just heated and electric. We have the BMW individual trim all over the interior of this vehicle. Very, very nice addition to have. Screen just in the centre, which is a big touch screen. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, satellite navigation, DAB radio. You also have your rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. So matched with the BMW individual trim, you do also have your gloss black trim. Makes it a very, very nice environment to be inside of this car. Now, here at our car sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 400 5-star reviews on Google Autotrader and CarGurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so wherever you are in the country, we can facilitate that. Whether you're up in Scotland or down in Cornwall, we can deliver. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've listened out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now I'm coming up to an industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how you expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. So pull it in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just there as well with your front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.